Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So this is the Halloween month and I wanted to show you very subtle and easy last minute Halloween makeup, and this is Wednesday Adam inspired makeup look. If you want to know how I have achieved this, then please keep on watching. To prep my skin, I'm going to use My Glam's Youthful Moisturizer. It's a very lightweight moisturizer and all the product links will be there in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. And I'm going to cover up my clothes with the towel because I don't want to put my foundation on the white collar. For primer, I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. This is a very good primer. I just love this. It's completely blurs out your pores. And as well as I'm going to use Master Strobing Liquid from Maybelline under my base to get that glowy effect. For foundation, I'm going to use Revlon Colorstay 2-in-1 foundation. I wanted little light shaded foundation and this is the only one I had. And I wanted to have a little grayish effect. That's why I'm using this foundation. You might feel that I'm looking very grey after applying this foundation, but that's what I wanted. That's why I went with this foundation. And it has concealer also, so I went with the same concealer for my under eyes. And I did not want to cover up my under eyes completely, so I did it lightly. And then I put the foundation on my neck as well. And I baked my under eyes with sugar translucent powder, and I used the same powder all over my face. With the help of big fluffy brush, I dusted the excess powder. Right now I'm looking like a ghost, but this is what I wanted under my like my base should be like little grayish. So for the eyeshadow, I'm using Makeup Revolution's Curses and Hexes palette, and I'm going to take Forces from the palette and I'm going to apply it into my crease and little bit above it. I'm going to use back and forth and circular motion to have that blended eyeshadow. You have to keep doing it until you are like happy with the intensity of the color. Then I'm going to take Cursed color. It is little dark brown. And I'm gonna put it little under, like exactly under the crease shadow, and I'm gonna use the same motion, circular and back and forth, and I'm gonna use it and apply it with the big fluffy blending brush. And in my outer corner, I'm gonna use Supernatural, which is dark black, and I'm gonna drag it into the crease and into my inner corners as well. And I'm going to make sure that I blend it properly. I'm not going to leave it very patchy. You have to blend it really nicely. So I'm going to use the same, like take the same blending brush and take a little bit of Cursed and blend it all together, so to have that well blended eyeshadow. And then I'm going to put Hypnotized, which is little silverish whitish silver, and I'm going to put it onto all over my lid. Then again I'm going to take that Supernatural, which is dark black shade, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. I'm going to draw my eyebrows a little bit different and a little bit weird. The edge, like the starting point, I'm going to draw facing towards my head, like little upwards, and then I'm going to follow my natural eyebrow shape just to make it little weird because it's Halloween. And yeah, I'm going to use the Supernatural a lot of times in this video. And then I'm gonna put white kajal, like white eyeliner, in my waterline. And then I was not happy with the silver shade, so I took Disguise, that silver, like glittery silver, and put it on my eyelid. For nose contouring, I use the same Supernatural color, and I draw straight line with the help of blending brush. Very near to my bridge, it was like very sharp and straight, and then I blended it out with the clean blending brush. Same I did with my cheekbones, like hollows of my cheekbones. I used the same Supernatural and blended it with big angular blending brush. And then yeah, I did it with my jawline also, a little bit on my forehead, and then I used Forces like same shade where I like which I used in the crease as my blush, and I blended it out with the contouring shade. And then I put the same Supernatural under my like on my lash line, lower lash line, and then I blended it with the pencil brush and then a bigger fluffy brush, and then I dragged that Supernatural little bit like from towards my cheek, from my nose, like the starting point of my nose towards my cheeks, so that to get that depth, I wanted that depth in my under eyes. So that's why I did this, and then I blended it with the clean fluffy blending brush, and then I patted it with my fingers to make it look very natural, like it should look like my skin, that I'm having that depth in my skin. For highlighter, I use this PS highlighter, which is from Primark, and I put it all over, like wherever I put highlighter, usually nose, like bridge cheekbone, and little bit on my forehead and chin, and then I draw, like I outline my lips with the kajal, which is Maybelline gel eyeliner, and I filled in with the same gel eyeliner, and then I drew a little bit outside, like a clowny lips, and then I patted Supernatural all over my lips to make it look very dark, and then I just curled my eyelashes, and then I put on some falsies. Yes, I went for falsies this time to make it a little dramatic. I usually don't like falsies, but I just tried because this look needed falsies. And for hairstyle, it was very, very simple, like two braids, simple braids, like Wednesday did have in the Addams Family. And I draw a like tiny triangle on my head and filled in like my partition, just covered my scalp a little bit to make it look fuller, a little bit like her. And yeah, this is done. Very easy, simple and subtle Halloween makeup look. I'm so sorry, मेरा eyelash थोड़ा सा निकल गया है इस क्लिप में, बहुत लेट हो गया था ये क्लिप फिल्म करने तक. आई होप आपको ये अच्छा लगा हो. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय.